of Training are offering a spoken English comprehensive course. I will be giving you a brief overview of what we are offering at this course at PNY Training. Learning to build and structure sentences instead of words. Speaking fluent English. Focusing more on fluency rather than grammar. Strong grip on tongue twisters. Pronunciation. Basic grammar. Basic vocabulary. Parts of speech. Short presentations. Dialogues, discussion, personality development, common interview questions, non-verbal communications, do's and don'ts in interviews, personal grooming, mock interviews. So who should enroll in our spoken English course? Students, housewives, working professionals, anyone interested in a proper certification in English language course, TV personalities, celebrities or media related persons who wants to polish their spoken English skills.